In this video I'm going to show you how to share Canva design links very easily. So what we need to do is open our Canva design, and as you can see I have a YouTube banner over here which I have created. Now if you would like to share this with a link to other people so they can edit it, then go to share, and after that you will find copy link. Now here you can set the permissions for the access. Now what you can do is select it. You can select anyone with the link so they can access this design and edit it. You can also select your team if you have created one, but you can also select only you can access. So once you have selected this one, people are not allowed to edit this design. After you have selected the permissions, you can easily select copy link, and as you can see it will pop up a notification about the permissions. Now just copy the private link, and after that you can share it wherever you want. Open a new tab. After that you will be opening our Canva design with the link we have shared. And this is how you share a Canva design link very easily. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys, bye bye!